Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy. I've ordered myself a little gizmo and it arrived today. The actual thing itself is pretty small. See, the box won't even fit in the lens. Right, so let's have a look and see, whoa, what's in this box. First saw this, I went to a, well, call it really, well, it's a show, I guess, but it lasts over a period of about 3 or 4 days, and it happens every year. It's called War and Peace. And while we were there, I'm finally winning. Bear with me a second. So in that enormous box is a little tiny box, and it's an Osmo Mobile 2 DJI Osmo. And while I was there, one of the guys who was displaying had one of these, and he was walking around with it, and can't get in the actual box now. Excuse me, a bit hot in here today. That's because it's raining. It's been raining all day. And you'd think that that would cool things down just a bit, wouldn't you? But no. Humid and horrible. I've made a little hole, probably where I didn't want to, right in the box itself. Oh, this is annoying. Fingernail job. Right. And we're in. Yeah, so he was wandering around and then he had this thing and he was taking video, and it really did stabilise the camera. There was no wobble or shake or anything. It was just perfect. And so I said to him, oh, not more packaging. I said to him, you know, what's that? And when they told me, I thought I'd come home and I googled it. And I thought I'm going to get one of those and see what it's like. And I ordered it from a company called Very in the UK, and with them you get 20% off your first order. A little tiny lead and my gizmo. And so as you're going along, obviously it's a bit more stable than that, needs tightening, but it kind of is called a gimbal. Yeah, so I intend to use this here gimbal and show you the results, but you're meant to be able to stabilize everything, and I've got to learn how to use it, so that's going to be fun. But this is my new little toy and I'm going to have a bit of fun playing with that. So thanks very much for watching. I'll come back when I know what I'm doing. Am I done? Yes. No. You're still there.